Hi everybody, and welcome back to the Hard Info channel. Today I do have the BOSE SoundLink Home speaker, and I'm going to tell you how to do a soft reset in this speaker. So actually, soft reset may fix a lot of issues that occur in the speaker. For example, some connectivity issues, sound issues, not showing battery issues, just everything that can be the issue in this speaker. And to do so, to perform the soft reset, search for this menu of the buttons at the top and just turn the speaker off. To do so, click the power button. Now you have to wait. I need to wait, for example, 10 to 20 seconds maximum, but you can wait longer. But I don't really recommend waiting up to more than 30 seconds because it's just useless. After this time, we can click the power button again to turn on our speaker. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like under this video. It's very important to us to have your feedback. Goodbye!